In this video, I will show how to put the same header on each page in Microsoft Excel. So click on page layout and click on print titles. Now here click on print titles. Select sheet. Now click here and select your header of this worksheet or which you want to add in every pages. Then press enter. Click on OK. Now print preview. Select the area where you want to print every pages as a header, then press enter. Now click on OK. Now print preview. So we can see in every pages we have same header. So thanks for watching.